Hi YouTubers, thanks for joining in to my videos. This is my plight. This is about the sixth one that I've had. They're the short bottles, so I guess all is well. I'll drink another bottle of water in just a few minutes. I've been at this again. This is my new laptop, and I've been trying to get my information off my old laptop. As you can see, we're almost nearing the end for one of the bars, and the other bar still has a ways to go. It's only, what was it, 61? At first the thing said 50 gigs, but I can't see this too well. Okay, I keep forgetting where the camera is. The lens part is 61 gigs of information, and it says 3 hours now. Hopefully it doesn't take 3 more hours and 30 some odd minutes. It went as high as 14 hours earlier today, and it may be taking about that long. And this is where we're trying to get the information from. It was running kind of hot. It's pretty warm right in here, and it's pretty cool. It's cool, really cold on this side, and warm kept getting really hot right here. Earlier I thought it was going to fry before I got all the data off of it, but this is my old laptop, which was a Dell. It just all of a sudden gave me this black screen of death, I'll call it. And the marvelous thing about the Windows is it has some type of easy share, whatever it's called. It didn't work so well. I ended up having to use the network connection. But I shined the light in here, and sometimes you can see what's in there. Just enough to click the mouse over it, and that's really all I was doing. So I had been trying to get the information off of this laptop for, wow, quite a few months now. This double USB cord didn't work, but for safety's sake, I have it sitting there anyway. Just, it says it's using the network connection. But if you have to get one of these little cooling fans, this was the cheap one I got under here. As you can see. And I picked it up for little or nothing at the store. I think it was a Comp USA or something like that. I only say that because it was about $5, and the other one I had purchased for 30 some odd dollars did not cool the Toshiba that I had. But this one was only $5, and it worked really well. And the awesome part about it is it has the cooling fan itself. I don't want to disturb it too much. It has quite a few USB ports. I'm not doing really good with this little camera. It has quite a few USB ports on it. It uses up 2 USB ports on your computer, but it has extra spaces for 3 USB ports, and then the other side of it will let you use the SD cards and all the other little storage cards. It'll take I think about 4 or 5 different sizes, even the old thick bulky ones to the little thin ones. It doesn't use the micro one. I don't know what the name of that thing is, but it's been a lifesaver because I was smelling something which you can tell it's electronics overheating, and so far it's done pretty good. So as long as it holds out a little bit longer, we'll be set. I'm not sure what all files will come off of this, but we'll look and see. It is kind of late now, so I'm going to head off to sleep. I think it's about 1 o'clock, and it's hard for me to stay up waiting on this. it's easier for me to stay awake when I'm busy working. So I just wanted to let you see what I was doing. Hopefully I will be back in the saddle again come morning. Thank you for joining in. As I said, I'll see what all I had to do. I think it was the Windows 7. I'll look at the thing really closely. But yeah, Windows Easy Transfer. I had to use a jump drive to get the new computer to put the Easy Transfer file on the jump drive, and then I put it into the old computer. Once you upload it and tell the application to run, it gives you some type of key code, which is supposed to help secure your files during transfer. Once the old computer gives you the key code, you enter the key code on the new computer, and then it'll do the rest for you. It'll ask you if you want to transfer, which files you want to transfer, where do you want to save those files at. And once you click that, you have to allow the computer to sit without using it until it's finished transferring files. I think it says there, transferring files and settings to this computer. And that's it. So we'll see how well it works. I'll come back with a part 2 to show you. Hopefully I have the files. I was working on some MP3 files and some chapters for a couple of books that I was writing, and I don't want to lose that material. Sometimes it's really hard to regain it, and I can't find my notes, and with some of it I dictated into the machine, so I don't have the notes for that. So hopefully this will allow me to recover all those music files and document files that I really need to have. And we'll see. So I'll come back with a part 2 and let you know how it all turned out. That won't be until tomorrow, and I'm heading in to sleep. So thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great one.